Nigerian Tulip International Colleges, excellence isn't just encouraged, it's cultivated. This year's JAM results speak volumes. Our student Kennedy Onyinyachukwu Okadike achieved a phenomenal score of 370, with 77 in English, 98 in mathematics, 98 in physics, and 97 in chemistry. A truly remarkable performance. But he's not alone. An impressive 70 students from NTIC scored 300 and above in the 2025 Jamb exams, a rare achievement in Nigeria. Among them, we proudly celebrate Anuoluwa Taiwo with 368, Ikenna Nwere with 365, and Muhammad Kabir Abdulmumini with 352. Behind every success is a team. Thank you to our dedicated teachers, supportive parents, and the school management for their relentless commitment to nurturing our students. To all our high achievers, congratulations. You've made NTIC proud. Nigerian Tulip International Colleges, the right environment for learning.